How to use Redbubble app easy and fast in 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Redbubble app. So first thing, you should download Redbubble, and this is the home page as you can see. Now if you want to search for a product, you just need to go here in the search logo and you can search for any category. There is men's, women's, stickers, masks, device. If you choose one of them, it will take you directly and choose your for example iPhone cases, and here you go, you will find iPhone cases right here, and you can search for the design that you want. For example, Habibi, it's one of the trending right now as you can see. And also if you want to save a design, for example if you love this one, you can just go here and click on the heart right here and you will find it saved to favorites. Your favorites will be here, you will find it here as you can see. And if you want to buy any design or a product, just click here and go to the thing that you want to buy. For example this one, if you want to buy it, just go here and click add to cart. From here to, of course, you choose the size and the print location, and after you add it to the cart, go here and you will find it on your cart. And now if you want to buy it, just click proceed to checkout and you will be able to pay, and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.